Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. So friends, today I am showing how to make Aralia base potting mix and Aralia plant care. Friends, Aralia plants are member of the Araliaceous family. These plants low maintenance, ornamental, tropical, evergreen, shrubs, herbaceous and perennial houseplant. The genus is native to India and Polynesia. Aralia plant mildly toxic to animals and humans. Friends, I purchased this dwarf variety Aralia plant from the nursery 7 days ago. So friends, I am already made Aralia potting mix. In this potting mixture, I used 40% gardening soil, 20% vermicompost, 20% sand, 15% cocopeat, and also used bone meal, horn meal, and neem cake dust. Aralia plant grows best in a well-drained and acidic potting mix in the pot. So friends, this is an 8-inch terracotta pot. There are 3 holes at the bottom because of good drainage water. It is a brick chip or broken part of pot. Now I will put it in the hole at the bottom of the pot. I am putting some coarse sand or pebbles, at least a 1-inch layer at the bottom. Now I am putting all this soil mixture. Removing all the soil as maximum as possible from the root ball. Now putting the plant here in the middle of the pot. We will fill the empty part of the pot with potting soil. While filling the pot, please also make sure that you keep a gap of at least 1 to 2 inch in between the top layer of the soil. In the future, this tree can be easily watered and fertilized. This time I will give sufficient water to the pot. Now keep this pot, put it in a shady place. Sunlight. Aralias prefer bright indirect sunlight and outdoors enjoy the morning sun. However, the whole summer Aralia plant should be keep it in a shady place. Watering. Be careful when watering your Aralia plants. Do not water too much and do not allow the soil to dry completely. Before watering, you need to look at the soil carefully. If watering is needed, you should water it well. Fertilizer. Aralia plants fertilization once every 15 days during spring and summer. You can use any organic fertilizer. And if you use chemical fertilizer, then use the equal ratio in NPK fertilizer like 20-20-20 or 10:5:10. Pest and disease. Aralia is relatively resistant to insect, but if your Aralia is affected by aphids, mealybug and spider mite, then you can spray your plant with soap water or neem oil solution. Propagation. Aralia plant can be easily propagated from the cuttings. The spring season is the best time for propagation. Next, pruning. The plant reaches a maximum height of 8 feet. So you can control the height if you prune the branches regularly. Flowers. The plant blooms white and yellow flowers in summer, but it is very rare. So friends, I hope you like this video very much, and if you like it, you must like, share and subscribe, and also comment on this video in this comment section. So friends, I hope everyone will be fine and healthy. Thank you. Happy gardening.